Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are doing Dollar Tree finds for your budget. So these are things that can help you get started on your budget, things that can make budgeting a little bit more fun, savings challenge ideas, all to be found at Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Okay, so the first category that I'm creating is the actual pen and paper budgeting. And I have a couple different notebooks, binder options that we can look through. These are all from the Dollar Tree, all 5 of these. Let's start from smallest to biggest. This one is really cute. It has a little pocket. I think this would be great to make your grocery list and to like keep your coupons, if you do paper coupons, or keep your receipts. Because we know we have to keep those receipts in order to scan them in our apps. And if you don't know about the receipt apps, you need to go watch my other video. I'll have it linked in the cards above or in the description below. It's all of my favorite money-making apps that all have to do, well, most are receipts. Some of them are games and stuff like that. But we definitely want to keep our receipts. It's not the thickest paper, but I think it would do well for, you know, just making your grocery list, you know, maybe doing some price comparison. You know, my 2 favorite places to shop are Redner's and Aldi's, and Aldi's usually has cheaper options for things like bread. My husband makes sandwiches every day for work, so we need bread, almond milk, but Redner's has my yogurt that I really like. It's a dairy-free yogurt, and it's only, you know, out of Aldi's and Redner's, it's only at Redner's. So this would be a really good option. The paper's not super thick, so don't use like a marker really, but they're so cute. They come in 4 colors. I can show you that picture later, or I'll put it somewhere on the screen. This one is the next, they're both about the same size, but this one is dot grid. So if you prefer dot grid for your budget journaling, this is a good option. It's really cute. They usually have lots of different cover options. Most of them are pretty girly, so sorry guys. But yeah, I find this one a bit skinny, so maybe if you don't have a lot of budget categories, this one would be good. But I think it's pretty cute. I usually, before my current planner setup, I used a grid. So this is not a dot grid, but just like graph paper grid, that one. So this one is a good option if you like grid paper. This one is lined paper. It has Bible verse. It's a 2 Peter 3:18, Grow in Grace. This one is a fairly good size if you don't want like a whole binder or like a huge 8.5 by 11 planner. I just wrote up a quick little budget on this one to show you kind of what it would look like. I feel like it's a pretty good size. The paper is a bit thicker than that first one. The paper on this one is pretty good too. I wouldn't use like any heavy markers, but it's pretty good. Next one is, so this is a health and goals journal, but I feel like this would be really good for meal planning. And meal planning is really important because we spend so much money on food, just because prices and inflation and things like that. So I think this would be really good. So it has a monthly goals, which you could just change to monthly planner, whatever, you know, maybe put activities that you and your family do every month. Say you have soccer practice on Thursdays. Okay, then you know you need a quick meal on Thursdays, or you know you'll be eating out on Thursdays, you know. Sunday, you know, after church, maybe you just want a more chill meal. So you'll do a crock pot meal, like meatballs or pot roast or things like that. Mood tracker, not super important, but grocery list. So this even breaks down a whole bunch of different categories. It has households, meat, seafood, eggs, dairy. You know, I think that's really good. And then it has a weekly meal tracker. So this you could prep. It has like 5 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So you could plan out the whole month right here, and that would be great. And I think this can get you like 3 or 4 months worth. So you'd have to get a couple of these for the whole year, but they're $1.25, so it's pretty nice. Last option we have for budgeting, for binders, or, you know, just having a pen and paper, is a 3-ring binder. So this is a 1-inch Jot binder. Jot is like Dollar Tree's like brand. I also put a binder pouch in here if you want to keep your markers in here. You know, your money when you bring it back from the bank if you're doing cash stuffing. things like that. I think this is a really good option. This is not part of the Dollar Tree option. This is the card game that I did, the 52 card playing challenge. So if you're just more of a loose leaf paper, you know, and pen type of person, keep it organized at least. You don't want your papers all over the place. Just keep it in one place at a time. I think this is a really good option for that. So on to the next category. Alright, so the next category we have is savings challenges, which of course make budgeting and saving so much more fun. And so I have a couple different options here for you guys. This one, this specific one, I think I've had since like high school, hence the duct tape that's holding it together. But they do have options like these. I couldn't find it on their website, but trust me, these do exist in fun colors of all different kinds. So if you've never seen these before, they just kind of slide out. Oh look, there's a savings challenge in here. These are some of my savings challenges. This is the Save the Date and my Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So these fit perfectly in here. I usually shoot for my savings challenges to be around A6 size, but while you're doing it, money also stays in there perfectly. I thought that was a great idea. So if you don't really want like a whole box or anything like that, these work perfectly. Same with this one. This one I specifically got from Michael's. I think it was around the same price as what they have at Dollar Tree, and you might even be able to use a coupon on this. But yeah, they have multiple different colors of this one, not this green specifically, but that fits really well. I know Caro Cash collects. She uses a box like this for one of her savings challenges. I think it might be her 100 envelope maybe, or no, I think she's doing a 200 envelope. But so that one works really, really well for that. So this one and this one, kind of the same idea. And then we have this adorable crayon box, which I just think these are the cutest. So this one wouldn't really fit one of the big like A6 savings challenges, and I was hoping that like these post-it notes, or not post-it notes, index cards would fit in here, and they do kind of, but you have to fit them in sideways. So, but a folded dollar bill or folded cash does just fit perfectly in here. So maybe if you have a smaller challenge, or you could create one on the back, like create a sticker for it, and you know, be like that. I know a lot of people also have mini savings challenges, so you could have a little one and put it in here. So I think that's great, like that. Next we have, so this specific playing cards is not from the Dollar Tree, but they do have playing cards. It's actually a pack of 2 of them. I think they're a bit smaller. Did I not take a picture of them? I didn't take a picture of them, but it's a 2-pack. I believe they're a little bit smaller than a regular pack of excuse me, playing cards, but you can do the 52 card playing challenge like I have in the past if you want to go check that out. I have a playlist called 52 week playing card challenge, and so you would just pick a card, a 10, and then you would stuff 10, and then you could, you know, put it in one of your boxes like these. Also, there are a lot of cute boxes at Dollar Tree. So this one, they're like little Christmas gift boxes in a whole bunch of different colors. I want to say these are like 3x3, so they should fit $1 like folded in half, and they actually would fit like if you made little sleeves or little pockets. You could, like if you taped up the sides, you could fit those in the box. So if you wanted to label these with different denominations, different amounts of money, that would work perfectly with the index cards. The index card I also did get from Dollar Tree. It was like 125. I won't grab the whole stack, but 150. So this is colored. It comes in 4 colors: green, yellow, blue, and pink. So 150 for 125 is pretty good. You can also get white ones if you want white ones, but also Walmart has index cards sometimes really cheap, especially now in August that we have back to school. Things are going to be like half the price. So all right, next category will be, well, it's still the same category really, is more like challenge ideas. So I found these cute. This one I know is from Dollar Tree. These ones might be from Walmart. I'm not 100% positive. But this one has a cute little cutout. I just put Disney shrimp on it, and then you can put savings challenges in each of these, or just, you know, a set amount in each one of these. The index cards would work really well for this if you want to put, you know, $5, you know, have each of them be $5, or have each page be a different savings challenge. So these savings challenges are in my Etsy shop if you're interested. This one is Totally Awesome Savings. This one is Square Up Your Budget. It's a bunch of granny squares. Set to Save Volleyball. 99 bottles. Yes, there are 99 bottles on here. And Stash the Cash, which is yarn. So, and these fit really well. They stick out a little bit, but they're not going to come out. You know, I'm shaking this. Oh, it came out a little bit, but when are you really going to be shaking your binder like that? So this one has 24, I believe. So 24, it can hold 24 pictures. These two are bigger. These hold 100. So you could do a 100 envelope challenge, but in one of these. So, you know, it doesn't take up too much space as much as, like, you know, a box might or something like that. But they're also a cheaper option. You know, this one you could do a 24 envelope, or, you know, have each of them be $5, whatever you want. Your budget is super customizable. And of course we have the infamous 100 envelope challenge, as I was just saying. So this one is 80 envelopes to this size. You could just keep them in the box as they are, kind of just like cut open the top. I know Alexis Tackles Money, she does that. I don't think she has a fancy box for her envelopes, and she does 100 envelope. These also might be cheaper at Walmart. So just because the Dollar Tree is $1 or $1.25 like it is now, doesn't mean it's the cheapest option. There are plenty of notebooks and index cards and envelopes and stuff like that, and you could get probably 100 for like $1 at Walmart as well. I'll show you some of those screenshots in a minute. But yeah, and then this last one, I think this is my last thing, is this cute picture frame. I believe I did get this from Dollar Store. I think it's pretty cute. Like, it's pretty fun and textured. But so this could be debt thermometer, savings thermometer, and then you can just use a marker like this, and you can set your goals. You know, say this is your ultimate goal is 500, and then you could just break it up from there. So this would be 100, 200, 300, 400, and, you know, break it up from there. Do 50, 150, all the way up to 500, and then whenever you reach your goal, just, yep, now you're at $100. And then to wipe it off, you just use like an alcohol wipe or glass cleaner, and then you can use it again for, you know, your next debt, your next savings. You know, you could put savings here. I think this is so cute. I know the Budget Mom does stuff like this. I don't think she does it in a picture frame, but I think this makes it so cute and reusable. You don't have to waste paper every time. So I think this is a great option for my budget-friendly friends. Okay, and I did want to show you some other options from Dollar Tree that I didn't pick up for myself, but I think would also be cute. These gift boxes, I think they're called book-shaped nesting gift boxes. They're so cute. You can definitely use these. It doesn't give details of what size these are. I didn't see these at my specific store, but I'm sure you could find them wherever you live. And I think these probably would be good size to put these in. If not, it would be good for, like, if you make the smaller envelopes like that. These ones would be probably around the same, or at least the square ones would probably be around the same size as the other sparkly Christmas ones I showed you. And I feel like the circle ones would be really cute for like a coin collection, like if you like keep all your coins, if you don't want to pay for like a coin jar or a fancy mason jar. I know a lot of people go to like TJ Maxx and stuff like that and get cute little trinket dishes, and no shame in that, but when you're on a budget, you don't have money for that. So you possibly do have money for, you know, a little circle bin. Next, these wooden gift boxes are so cute, and you could definitely like customize them. You could paint them. I think they'd be so cute. And this one does give the dimensions, so it's 3 and about a quarter. And these would be super cute. I think you could fit these in. You could definitely fit $1 folded in half in here. Like I said, these are like the green boxes here. And Lynch. But yeah, these are like this box here. Like I said, this one I got from Michael's, but I'm pretty sure these are the same size, or if not very close in size. And they give you different color options. These ones are like the ones that if you follow or followed Dog Mom Crafts, Her name's Tara. She used to make 52 envelope and like 100 envelope savings challenges, and she sold them on her channel or on her Etsy. She used boxes like these, so these should fit like little envelopes if you want to use those. Let's see what else I had. Oh, the labels. If you already have like a binder but you want to like customize it more, like if you have one of these envelopes, the A6 size or even smaller, these removable paper stick labels would be so cute. Like if you just want to write the label but then you need to relabel them, just take it off, put a new one on. I feel like 15 is a pretty good amount for, you know, $1.25. You could probably also get like a sheet of labels and print something off on them too. I know there's a couple different brands that do that. And then I wanted to show you what you can find. Oh, here's the cards. I found the cards. Haha. So it's a 2-pack of just regular playing cards for $1.25. Like I said, I think they are a bit smaller than a standard deck. Here's the different color options for that first notebook that I showed you. And then I wanted to show you the Walmart options. So here's a pack of 100 index cards for 72 cents. So cheaper than dollar store. Here's a simple composition book. They had a bunch of different colors, and even the ones that aren't like this pattern, just like a solid red or a solid blue, for 50 cents. Especially right now during back to school. Once back to school ends, it probably will go back to 97 cents, which is still cheaper. So just make sure you look around. Dollar store isn't always the cheapest option anymore. If you like the spiral bound versus, you know, the composition book, they do have this one for even cheaper for 45 cents. So I think that's a good option. I also found another, since I couldn't find the 100 pocket photo album, on the Dollar Tree website, I did find this one. This one's 48 pockets, and it has a bunch of cute little, like, I feel like these are really cute fall designs. I think those are really cute. And some of them are in solid colors. These are more, like, soft on the front and not hard. Like this one is. This one's pretty hard. But these ones, I think, are soft. But I feel like it's still fine. Like, it still will keep your money protected if something, like, spills on it. Things like that. So I think that was everything I had to show you guys. I hope you found this video informational. And yeah, let me know if you use any of these items. I would love to see it. You can tag me at Mixmatchmaggie. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok now. I'm just kind of posting stuff here and there. And yeah, so if you use any of this, I'll link most of the stuff down below as long as I can find a link for it. If not, I'll find a substitute for it. And yeah, I hope you guys continue to watch my channel and for more fun videos like this. See you guys next time. Bye!